Hi everybody, welcome to this video. My name is Alvin Koy, CEO of RichMediaAds.com, and in this video I'd like to show you what we are all about and what our ads are all about and how we create ads in our ad creator. So firstly, let me show you the kinds of ads that we have. Check out this ad unit. We can have multiple components embedded within the ad unit itself, and these ads can be shown on desktop web, on mobile web, and also for in-app. So the components that we can embed in these banners are components like YouTube, an image slider, Google Map, etc. One component is also you can have this before and after component. This is a image slider. You can pull videos from YouTube. You can also have a Facebook social media wall in your banner itself. And this is another banner that we have. It's a standard 300 by 250 banner where you can have e-commerce components, store location, and even a lead capture or a contact form. So this banner can be embedded in the mobile version of your website because these are all in HTML5. All right, let me show you another ad unit. Right, this is an expandable ad unit which expands from a teaser banner. So it expands into this full screen with e-commerce, store, etc. This is another one with a car dealership where you can have a Facebook wall, video. For this, it expands to a 300 by 250 size. Okay, this is an ad unit for a game company. You can even have coupons and Twitter wall, etc. So next, I'd like to show you how easy it is to create these kinds of banner. All right, so I've actually logged in and clicked on the ad creator within RichMediaAds. So you can create ads for both the desktop web with different dimensions, or for the mobile web where you can choose to create for an embedded ad, expandable ad, or interstitial. And these are all the templates for the expanded version, and there are two types of expanded sizes. One is 300 by 250 and the other one is 300 by 400. All right, but let me show you how to create the one with 300 by 250 first. So the first template that I'm going to choose is this template. I'm going to select this. So I have selected a 300 by 250 size embedded ad unit for the mobile web. All right, basically you can have and now we are going to edit the this particular ad unit. You can have different color presets. You can set different colors for different headlines and different fonts and so forth. And for the next step, I'd like to just show you how simple it is to create this. Just by clicking on the header, you can include images into the header. So we have a CMS system where you can store all your media files. So I'm selecting this header and add it in. Now you've got your header. And next, I'm going to put in social media buttons, Facebook. So just put in your Facebook URL page and save. But I'm not going to do that. Yeah. And you can drag the button around. And next, the Twitter button. You can put in your Twitter handle in here and position it nicely. That's it. And for the footer, just click on the footer. Same thing. Just upload your footer. And there you have your header and footer done. Now next is I would like to include components into the ad unit. So all I need to do is just click on this, and I'm going to include an image slideshow. So probably just change this to pictures or something, and I can upload up to 6 images. Let's just start with 2. Select both of this, and it gets in. And you can even edit the images, or you can crop it and make it nice. Okay, done. So for the second tab, let's go for YouTube video. Alright, all you need to do is just go to a YouTube video link, copy this and paste it in here, and then you have your, and save it, and then you have your video. That's it. For tab 3, I'm going to do a Google map. So just put in multiple locations, like for example, Changi Airport. Add the address in here. I can put multiple locations, probably put this junction and add the address. So now I have 2 locations in here. Alright, so I'll just change this to store. Okay, as you can see, this is reflected in the tab. So for the 4th tab, I'm going to put in a contact us form. So you can probably just change this to contact. Okay, as you can see, this has changed the contact. And we have this form generator in here. You can add in a new field. Okay, I've add in a new field. You can move the field around. Alright, you can move this around or relabel it. So probably change it to states or something. Alright, you can have drop down menu, option 1, option 2, option 3, and save. Alright, so I don't want this. Okay, I'm going to move this up, and there, done. And I just save the changes. Okay, and I'm going to preview this. Okay, so this is the ad unit that I've created in probably less than 15 minutes with the social media buttons, with pictures, video, where it streams from YouTube video, a store location, and also a contact us form where I created the option 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and I'll just save this new ad as, that's it, my ad is done. So now I can tag this ad to an advertiser, and I'm back to the dashboard, and I can get the code for this. It's a simple ad tag. It's a script tag that gets into all our partner ad exchanges, or even your own ad network as a third-party ad tag. Alright, so next I'm going to show you the reports. So we have different kinds of reports, probably up to 24 reports. You can have reports. You can have reports for date range and whatnot. Okay, every single contact point in the ad unit is measured. So for example, overall you can have engagement rate, the click-through rate, the conversion rate, and so forth. You can actually print this out or save this in a CSV file also. And as you know, every single ad unit have different components with headers and footers. All these are also tracked. For example, you have a YouTube video. All right, so just the YouTube video component itself, it has multiple measurement points, like for example, how many times the video is played, paused, replayed, or how many percentage, the common quartile percentage view on the video, the average time, etc. Okay, you can have tracking like every single component in here, like Facebook, right, and so forth. So that's it. That's my presentation for the demo. And if you have any questions, please give us a call. All right. Thank you.